Welcome back to the CNC Router Chronicles. My name is Wesley November, and I'm here to make a sign for my shop. I was looking around and I just was missing some personality, so I took my design here. You can see I'm a little nerdy. It's a little Batman-esque. And so I shot down here. I talked to Jason at Laguna Tools, and I said, I need to make a sign. What's our best materials? What's our best options? And so we're gonna go with some HDU foam, and let's see how it rips.
Hey guys, quick tip here from Laguna Tools. Today we are machining some precision board. This is a closed cell HDU foam. It is fantastic for sign making. We can put this stuff outside. It stands up to the elements. It can be painted. It can be three-dimensionally carved. You can use it in a variety of applications. This is a really awesome material. So if you haven't used it before, definitely check it out.
So to make this sign, I'm gonna use the SmartShop 2 Elite. Three different bits. I've got a down cut, I've got a V-bit, and I've got a specialty foam bit that's gonna cut out the outside radius. You'll see all of them right now. I'm so excited about how my sign came out. It took my perfectly made graphic, and I've got this cool 2.5D printout that we did. You can see the router did an incredible job. The V-bit did just our perfect little degree here. It made all of our lettering step down. So I've got embossed, debossed, and the perfect cutout on the side. You can see the foam works really, really well, and there's no chatter marks or anything. So this will just take maybe a coat or two of primer, and then I'll put my coloring into it, and it's gonna look phenomenal.